Alright guys, I've got another project that I done. I done this about 2.5 years ago. Let me explain a little bit about it. This gasifier runs a gasoline generator. It's a 8 horsepower motor. It's a Briggs & Stratton, and the reason why I have it apart is I will explain that here in a little bit. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about the gasifier and how it's built. Alright guys, this right here is my box I built my fire into. What it has a tube. It runs down about halfway down, and it has a basket hooked up to it. And the basket, I drilled a bunch of little holes in it, and all my wood and wood pellets and everything goes down to the bottom there, and I light that, and that's what holds my fire. Let you look inside here, and if you could tell, I got some wood pellets in there, and I have some wood blocks that I have laying around the shop when I do a project. I keep all the little wood blocks in that, and I put them in a bag, and I save all the wood blocks. And here's a bag of wood pellets, and let me open this up so you can see that. And this is the kind of that's the pellet that I put in there. It's wood pellet. And I just dump them inside here and fill that up. That tube inside is probably about 4 foot long, so it does really good. And let me tell you about these clean outs here I got the bottom ones for clean out. That's when all the ashes and everything fall down to the bottom, so I'll open this up, clean it out, tighten the cap back on. This one here is where I light it. That's where I light my fire in my firebox, right there. This valve here is for the screen. It has all them holes in the bottom of it. This valve right here, I just shake it, and it knocks all the old pieces of wood and stuff out and all that. It's already been burnt, and that way I have a good fire. Let me tell you a little bit about how it works. It's a hollow tube, so the smoke goes up around, comes up through here, drops down through here, then it hits this pump going across, coming over to R22 bottles. This is made out of R22 bottles, old R22 bottles. I got it on the side, and the reason why I had the pipe on the side here is because of when the smoke comes in, it takes it, hits it, and it swirls. Goes around, drops all the soot down to the bottom of the tank. Then I have this pipe here. It picks up the smoke, comes over, and it hits another R22 bottle. That, you can tell, is not welded to the other bottle on top. This bottle here, it hits, goes out. You can tell that I have 4 pipes going across. It's welded to another R22 bottle, and that is my radiator. That's what cools my smoke down. After the smoke cools down, it goes up, hits another pipe, then it goes over to a filter. This is my number 1 filter, down here at the bottom. Then it goes up. What I have inside here is wood chips, and that screens all my smoke, and it takes the moisture out of the smoke and all that. So it comes up. As you can tell, I got a cap on here where I could clean it out and put new wood chips in and take all the old ones out and all that. And then I tighten it back down with the wing nuts. That top up here, it's completely closed. It don't mean anything. So the smoke travels from the number 1 filter, comes over here, goes down, hits the other R22 bottles, which is my number 2 filter. Okay, I have the same setup inside here as I do on the number 1. I have wood chips in here. And the bottom, down here, you can tell where I got pipes going across. I got a screen on top, and it's hollow down here. That way my wood chip sits on top of that. And the same way on my number 1 filter. Smoke comes up, goes over, hits my line, comes back down, goes over here to my motor, and these right here operates. This is my throttle. This is my air mixture. This is where I hook it up to the motor. I tie it up, and the reason why I got the motor apart is I've been having a little bit of trouble with tire buildup. I need some help, guys, on what I could do to stop the tire buildup. But this is the intake. It's nice and clean. My exhaust side, that's where I'm having the trouble. It's sticking this valve here from that tire. When it cools down after a couple of hours, and then I try to start it back up, it will not start because that valve is stuck. And I have to clean it out. And this is the stuff I'm getting out of that right there. I thought by putting 2 filters on there, that would take care of the problem. But apparently I need something else. So if y'all have any kind of suggestions, I would appreciate it if you leave a comment. And give me some thumbs up. I'm going to be making another tape. And I'm going to open up these tanks here, and I'll explain a little bit more about the fan and how it actually works. So guys, I'm going to have to let you go. My battery's going low, and I'll see you here in a little bit on the other tape.